What's up, guys? I'm Raj from Gaming with AN, and today we are playing a racing game which is known as City Racing 3D. So let us start. So it's a blue car on the wallpaper. Okay, so it's like this. Let me reduce the volume. This is good, and there are some cars over here. City Racing. Okay, test driving. Test drive? I don't want to do that. Okay, that's good. Okay, three, two. I have already started. Sorry, but I have already started. Okay, test drive. Okay. Oh yes, I got this power booster. Come on. Yes, 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 yes. I'm already ahead with the second guy. Oh, I got a crush. Sorry. So it's basically a new game. Okay. Oh yes, oh yes. Gay race over. So I was first. Let me play a level. Next. And okay, I'll unlock this car and career with this, and let me start. Unlock. It is not required. So events driver. Okay, so let me get back, and I actually don't know how to play this game, so I'll go to driver ranking achievements. That's good. Now I'll go back and then start. Okay, there are three ranks: first, second, and third. Touch to start. London Classic. Wow. I'm the blue car. Sorry, I have already started my engine, and I'm behind. So there are six people racing. Okay, okay, okay. On the fifth position. On the third position. On the second position. Yes, I just have to overcome one driver. Then I will be ahead than all of them. And I can do that. I have the NOS. Yes, I'm in the first position. Can you guys believe it? I'm playing it for the first time and I'm so good. And also guys, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also hit the bell icon so that you didn't miss out for the videos. Okay, I have the NOS. I am in the first place. Yes. I don't know of the rest of the guys. They're just behind me. Oh yes, race over. I'm first. Thank you guys for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe the video. Also like the video, and also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out for the videos. Thank you guys, and stay tuned.